Hi. We know that to withdraw balance from Fiverr, we need PC access, and without a PC we cannot send the amount from Fiverr. But this tutorial will show you the way to know how to withdraw balance from Fiverr from phone easily. Go to Google Chrome your Android phone. This will also work on iPhone. Simply go to Fiverr and log into your account. I am already logged in. Go to 3 dots. Make sure that the desktop site is checked. It's a must. Now you are watching the PC version of Fiverr on your phone. Zoom in the screen, go to the left top side and tap on the 3 bars. Tap on My Business, then Earnings. You can see that the Earning and Withdraw option is there. I have no balance here, but you can surely tap on Withdraw. Fiverr will send you the amount to your preferred payment system. By this way, you can simply withdraw your balance or money from on Fiverr from your mobile device easily. Be with us and like the video. Please subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.